In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to merge two videos in CapCut. By the end, you'll have two clips combined into one clean split screen, perfect for comparisons, reactions, or showing multiple angles at the same time. First, open CapCut and head into the editor so you're looking at a blank canvas and a timeline. If you already have a project open, that's fine. What matters is that you can see the preview window and the tracks where your clips will go. Next, add two videos. Import both clips you want to combine and place them on the timeline. CapCut will stack them on separate tracks. The clip on the higher track sits visually on top, and the one underneath will be revealed wherever you don't cover it. This is important because the masking you're about to use will apply to the selected clip. Now, resize and arrange the clips. Click a clip in the preview window to see its bounding box, then scale it up or down and drag it where you want it to sit. For a classic side-by-side look, you can position one clip on the left half of the frame and the other on the right. If you prefer a top and bottom layout, stack them vertically. Keep an eye on important details in each video, faces, text, or key action, so nothing gets cropped out. Matching the sizes of both clips creates a balanced professional look. With your clips laid out, select the clip on the top track and click Mask. Masking lets you cut a shape out of the top clip so the other clip shows through underneath. You'll see different shape options designed for quick, precise reveals. Choose the rectangle mask. This gives you a straight-edged split, ideal for a clean two-video merge. Drag the edges of the rectangle to decide how much of the top clip you want visible, and position the seam where it makes visual sense, often centered for a half-and-half split, but feel free to offset it to highlight the most important content in each clip. Finally, adjust the feather. Feathering softens the seam between the two clips, blending them so the split isn't harsh. Increase the feather just enough to remove any visible line without blurring key details near the edge. Preview your video as you tweak the feather amount and reposition the mask if needed to keep both clips clear and readable. That's it. Open CapCut, add your two videos, resize and arrange them, apply a mask to the top clip, choose the rectangle, and feather the edge for a smooth, natural merge. Experiment with your layout and feather strength until it looks just right.